What's happening? This your boy Keenan. I'm about to show you how to make some quick candied almonds. You take you about a cup of raw almonds, toast them up until you start to smell them. Keep them moving so they don't burn. After 20 minutes, remove from heat. Add 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 packed quarter cup brown sugar. Stir and combine. 2 dashes of cinnamon. 1 dash of cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir and combine. Add the nuts. Coat thoroughly. Spread out evenly on the baking sheet. Bake at 350, 10 to 15 minutes. You want to stir halfway through cooking time. After 10 to 15 minutes, sprinkle with a little sea salt. Stir and combine. Let cool completely and enjoy. For more recipes, be sure to check me out on YouTube. Keenan just felt like cooking. 1.